National Service Authority and the Ministry of Youth Development and Empowerment are doing in this Papao enclave. Even though we've not gone on the inspection tour yet, the little briefing I have shows that what is happening here is very impressive. And so I want to take the opportunity to congratulate the Minister and the staff of National Service for the very good work you've done. We should be able to produce enough poultry to feed the whole of Ghana. Once the Papao-Haatso project takes off, we believe that in 3 years we'll be producing almost 100% of the chicken that we eat in Ghana ourselves, so that we can stop bringing nkukofunu from outside. We don't know how those chickens were raised. In many of the countries, they use genetically modified chickens. In many of the countries, they inject the chickens with hormones. We want fresh Ghanaian grown chicken so that our people can live a healthy life.
In January 2025, when we took over, and then led by Mr. Felix Jemfi, we inherited a capacity of 2,500 beds and have since then expanded the structure to accommodate over 100,000 beds with 70,000 beds in stock. On this note, I would want to single out Mastercard Foundation and Agri-Impact for the phenomenal support that they've been giving National